Hello, everyone. So I would just like to start by introducing myself. Okay, so my name is Wesley Oliphant. Okay, so as you can see up here, there's my name and how to spell it. Okay, technically it's in the syllabus, but I might as well just show you now how to write it. Okay, that can be easily misspelled. Okay, so why is my name so important? Because I'm going to be the one who's going to be teaching this class. Okay, Economics 1, Introduction to Microeconomics. Okay, and so the way I'd like to start is to basically talk about, well, what's the definition of the course? Okay, what do we mean by microeconomics? Okay, so the first thing in terms of trying to define microeconomics is to first say what is economics. Okay, so economics at its core involves certain things. Okay, particularly on the one hand, people's decisions, okay, their choices, but also in terms of scarcity. Okay, scarcity basically being where there's a limited amount of something. This can be energy, this can be money, it can be time as well. Okay, all right. So in terms of the definition of economics, what we're going to say as our definition is that it's basically the study of decisions, okay, choices, of how to allocate scarce resources, okay, in terms of that energy, in terms of that money, in terms of that time. Okay. All right. So now that we have a definition of economics, and we can see that it's kind of far broader than just about money itself, or study of money, or the study of something like GDP or unemployment. Okay, we can say specifically what is microeconomics. Okay, so microeconomics is a branch of economics. And so what we do is we can simply say as our definition, okay, well, basically what makes it, since micro, is who's the decision making about. Okay, this is basically decision making at the scale of the individual. Okay, so what we use as our definition is, again, we start off with our definition of economics, okay, the study of decisions of how to allocate scarce resources. But as you can see in terms of what's underlined here, the micro, it's by individual persons and firms. Okay, so that's what we mean when we say micro. Okay, the decision making is by these individuals. Okay, this will also encompass, we'll look at markets in this class, but remember, what we're really looking at is the decision making of these individuals. Okay, so some other things that I also want to say, since this is our introductory video, is in terms of looking at the introductory section of the Canvas website. Okay, that will include a tour of Canvas, kind of getting an idea of how to access different things. It'll also include other things like the Remind app. Okay, I strongly advise you to use this, to sign up for it. You'll get extra credit for it because it'll be a much easier way for us to make contact, okay, to communicate. Okay, if we wait for email, emails can take a lot of time to do. And so texting is just far faster. Okay, I will also use the Remind app to kind of, again, remind you of certain things when there's a due date for a homework or an exam is coming up. Okay. All right, so again, I invite you to look at that section. All right, thank you very much.